Looks like it's that time again. The snowblower has to spring into action. Another 4 or 5 inches fell, and I'm gonna have to tackle this. We were gone for a little while and came back to this. That's how it is up here. We take off for a few days. It snows, we come back, we gotta clean it. Last time we came, I had to clean another 4 inches, and now it's about 5 inches. Somewhere about in that range. And last video, if you've seen, I was talking about the auger wasn't turning, an impeller. And thanks for your comments and suggestions. A couple of you have said, or more, that maybe the linkage there, that engages the auger, maybe it's frozen or something. Maybe I'm not cleaning it off, and really it's under a housing, so I don't really see it. So I think what's been happening is, because I have a heated garage now, and then I turn it on and off. You know, I keep it in the garage here. This is a nice size garage we got. Anyways, we put heat in there, but I don't always heat it, right? If I don't need it to keep anything from freezing, like, why am I just wasting money, right? So yeah, I keep it in the cold garage, but a few times ago before, what I've been doing is, after I'm blowing snow, I put it in the garage there, and then I run the heat for a while, and to thaw it all out and everything, wipe the snow off. But maybe it doesn't all come off, because if, you know, when I look on the garage floor, sometimes there's ice there the next morning, because I turn off the garage after about an hour or so, like the heater, and if there's any moisture in there, it freezes, right? So probably in the snowblower, like in the linkage or something, or the pulley, maybe there's a bit of moisture, because, you know, it gets wet from melting, and then it freezes. And then the cable or something, or whatever, something there is freezing, because when I run the motor for a while, you know, 5-10 minutes, just like that, it's working. So it's got to be something like that, because once the engine's nice and warm, there's no problem. So it's got to be that I'm putting it in the garage, and then I'm melting it with the heat, but I don't always heat it. So if I kept it on 24/7, it would totally dry out and evaporate, right? Then I wouldn't have that problem. But I'm going to fire it up now, and we're going to clean some snow up. So it's working pretty good, guys. Like I said, it probably was that putting it in a heated garage but not leaving the heat on long enough, and then something freezing up. Because once the engine warms up nicely, it runs like a charm. And I really haven't had that problem for a couple times now, so as long as I let it thaw out and dry out, maybe it'll work good. There's my helper, there's the pup. At the road here now. The plow came while we were gone, and look what they do. You guys know all about this. They plow and they push it right across the front of the driveway. It'd be nice if they lifted their blade a bit, but I guess they have their procedures, you know. Anyone that blows snow knows all about this. You clean your driveway and everything, and then they block it when the plow goes by. So yeah, it's working pretty good, guys. Well, Pup, what do you think? It's working like a charm, guys. But I won't hold my breath too long, because I don't know for sure if that was the problem, if it's because of the garage and it's freezing or what, you know, I'm not totally sure. But as long as it's working, I'm happy. Got it all done in front of the garage. I'm going to put the car in the nice heated garage. Now I got to get the car out of there. I just parked it there and I shoveled around. But I'll move the car and then just clean a little bit that's left there and then go around the house because that's where I put the wagon. I come with my wagon full of firewood. So then I'll be done. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Snowblower is working good for now. So I won't jinx it because maybe next time it won't. You know what? These modern machines these days, they're not very reliable. I get a lot of comments on the channel saying, get another one, get a different brand, that's garbage. Well, this is the one I have. I paid $1,600 for it. So I don't have a bunch of money laying around for that. And if I have any money, I gotta use it for other things. Everything's so bloody expensive these days, hey? It's just amazing. I don't know how much longer we can go like this before we're all busted into a bank because we need extra cash. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Snow blowing video. See ya.